Welcome to the Chester Show. Catheter lube, drink it in front of someone's doorbell challenge. Oh, no, not you again. What are you doing here? Oh, shoot, not you again. Yes, this is my house. How would you be confused? I thought this place looked familiar. Do you just love annoying me? Oh my, the catheter lube doorbell what? Your generation is lost. You are doomed. You will never be a functional human being. Now get off my property. Come on, man, you don't need to make a big deal of this, okay? We can work this out reasonably. That's it. Get off my property. Get off my freaking property right now. Oh, crap. Never come